Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I want to support the statement by the Honorable Kimayo in regard to these issues of bursary and what I will call an unclear division of roles between different arms of government or sectors of government. Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, you know, this House has really debated on this question of what really is this House meant to do or supposed to do, or the national government, and any responsibility that pertains issues to do with county government should be left to the county government, Honorable Speaker. But looking at what the county governors are doing, Honorable Speaker, it's about time we sit and ask ourselves exactly how we are going to handle these menace, Honorable Speaker. You will see that on one point, Honorable Speaker, they claim that the national government has refused to relinquish part of their responsibilities back to the county government, Honorable Speaker. They then blamed the members of parliament on the questions of NGCDF and other matters. They've taken this House, Honorable Speaker, the PSC or members of this National Assembly, Honorable Speaker, to court on several occasions, my Honorable Speaker. And then, on the other hand, they are here moving around the counties, the constituencies, Honorable Speaker, distributing bursaries, a subject that is left, or rather that is supposed to be done by the national government, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, while we agree that we need to amalgamate these funds, perhaps in the near future, where we'll have one loop of fund, Honorable Speaker, and perhaps a commission, and this is a discussion that we're having that I'm very happy that was actually initiated by you, but it's also important that even before we get to that point, as we are right now, Honorable Speaker, education is a subject of the national government. What the hell does a governor, what interest does a governor have in distributing bursaries, Honorable Speaker, all over, Honorable Speaker, in secondary schools, in universities, and Honorable Speaker, what they do, they don't even give substantial amount. It's usually laughable. They only distribute, Honorable Speaker, about 2,000 shillings per student, or sometimes 1,000 shillings. Then they make a lot of noise about it. They move around. Honorable Speaker, it's really a question that we need to discuss. That a governor would move with a convoy of 40 vehicles to give a bursary of 5 million in a village. Then move to another one. He has another 60 vehicles. Half of them are carrying goons to give a bursary of 10 million, Honorable Speaker. Then here we are again. They raise issues of how we distribute, but with the meager resources that are oversighted by the members of this House, Honorable Speaker, we do not give 1,000 shillings. The members of the National Assembly oversight a committee of CDF, Honorable Speaker, but they do not give 1,000. They don't give 2,000, and you don't even shout about it. Honorable Speaker, this is really a question that really needs to be discussed upon, and that is why even today here, even as we discuss about the next agenda that we are going to have perhaps in the order paper, Honorable Speaker, look, that they have taken members of parliament to court on the question of roads, Honorable Speaker, on the RMLF. And on the other hand, Honorable Speaker, they claim, Honorable Speaker, that they want everything that we handle here, Honorable Speaker, reverted to them. What is that? Honorable Speaker, I am on record having said here that with the meager resources that you get, you will see it in full glare of the camera. By all of us can be able to see. But you will need a microscope to identify what a governor does. You will actually need a microscope, Honorable Speaker. You will need the bigger lenses that you are wearing, Honorable Speaker, to identify what governors do. Other than hiring goons and having people around, paid up crowds. Honorable Speaker, it is universal in this county government. It's universal in the governors. They carry with them, Honorable Speaker, a paid up team that does not change. Sometimes they even forget to change their clothes. They move from one ward to another. They sit in front in public functions, and their work is just one, to cheer, so that they portray, popularity. Some, Honorable Speaker, were even found with cash in the house. Honorable Speaker, if you gave me 12 million shillings to give bursaries in the constituencies, Honorable Speaker, I could have given a lot of, so many students. But our governor keeps 12 million in his bedroom, Honorable Speaker, in his bedroom. And then there's some other, in the currency of the US dollars. And what does he do? When he's caught up with, what does he do? He incites his paid up goons the normal cheering crowd moves around Kenyatta Avenue, shouting that, you know, this is a personal vendetta. You are a thief. You are a thief. Face it, face it. You have stolen. Sorry, Honorable Speaker.
You've made your point.
Thank you very much.
Robert Mbui.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, one of the things that is very frequent and very common almost every day on TV, you see governors get together and they are constantly complaining that there is money that is delayed, and many times money is not enough. So it is a shocker that even though the money they are given, they complain it's not enough. They go beyond the mandate that the Constitution has given them and start doing things that are supposed to be done by the national government. The issue of bursary, it is a shocker, Mr. Speaker, that for all these years, since the inception of the new Constitution 2010, governors have actually given bursary every year. And what I'm wondering is, when did